One great thing always drives another. And to drive something, you need real passion. At TAYPRO, our passion is to drive performance for unstoppable power generation, for unstoppable dreams. Dreams that we hone in the labs. Making solar cleaning robots that assure the highest uptime. We introduced the dual pass cleaning technology to the world and powered 5000 megawatt plus capacity for the leading power generation companies. We take leaps in artificial intelligence and machine learning research to use technology for the future of renewable energy. Because one great thing always drives another. And we drive performance.